In this video, we're going to show you how to manually add points and lines to bar, combo, and scatter charts. Shapes let you add points and lines as separate items in a chart. They help you enhance your data with additional visual content. For example, highlighting a specific dimension value or connecting the highest and lowest points of a KPI. Let's start by adding a point to a chart. In the Properties panel, select Add-ons, then select Shapes. Click Add Shape. From the drop-down, select Point. Optionally, define a label for the point, either by typing text or using an expression. Under Dimension Value, enter the value where you want to place the point. In this case, we use an expression to find the customer with the highest total sales. When done, click Apply. Keep the Measure Index value at 0, which keeps the first measure in the chart. Next, customize the point's appearance. Here, we are going to change the point color and outline color. Then, enable the Colored Background option to add a background behind the label. You can modify the color if needed. And here's the result. We've now added the max sales point to the bar chart. Next, let's add a line to the combo chart. Click Add Shape. From the drop-down, select Line. Click the Add Point button, add a label, and in the Dimension Value field, insert an expression to find the year-month with the highest total sales. When done, click Apply. Enable the Show Data Points option. The max sales point is now visible. Go to Symbol and select one from the drop-down. In this case, we'll select a star. Then change the point color. Then enable the Colored Background option. Use the sliders to adjust the outline width and data point size. Next, let's add another point for the minimum value. Add a label, and in the Dimension field, enter an expression to find the year-month with the lowest total sales. When done, click Apply. As before, change the symbol and color. And use the sliders to adjust the outline width and data point size. Then enable the Colored Background option. Now, let's customize the line color and use the slider to increase the line thickness. Then, in Line Type, select the option Dashed. You've now added and customized a line shape in your chart. The scatter plot also offers options to create points, lines, and polygons. In this case, we'll create a polygon. You can modify each point of the polygon by inserting a specific value or an expression to define the x-axis and y-axis for each point. When done, you can customize the polygon. For example, disabling the Show Data Points and the Show Lines options. You can also customize the polygon color. And here's the result. You've now successfully added a polygon in the scatter plot to highlight a specific area of the chart. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.